In this trip, I went to Tessin or Ticino, which is the Italian-speaking part in the south of Switzerland. The specific place we went to is called the Maggia Valley or Valle Maggia. We took the scenic path that went through the St. Bernardino tunnel, which is 6,596 meters or 21,640 feet long. I decided to time-lapse the entire journey through the tunnel.
So I'm staying at an eco hotel, which is also a restaurant called Cristallina. This is the place. It's really nice and it has a really good view, good surrounding, and the food is really delicious. I had ravioli cheese and it was great. So I'm gonna go for a little stroll around here. Nothing much to do, just walk around and enjoy the view, enjoy the weather, enjoy the breeze. Yeah. Shared toilet, shared bathroom. They do have private, but they're full. Really nice view from the balcony. A little windy. Hi! This is the Italian-speaking region of Switzerland, but if you don't speak it, you might want to try French if you can speak it, because some people here can also speak French better than German because of the similarity of the two languages.
These traditional stone houses are called rustico.
So these stone houses are about 350 years old and they're being renovated, and they use solar panels to operate electricity, but they also have a generator in case there's no sun at all. So these flowers are herbal. You can eat them. Apparently they're very bitter, very bitter. You could go down there, but it's really steep. Would you go down there? Seems like nobody comes all the way this high up. People just want to relax by the riverbank and stay down there. I guess this is quite a long path. I honestly don't know where this leads to. So I'll go as far as I can. This is so beautiful, such a panoramic view. Oh, all the way there. Wow. We could see the river. Right, seems to go right into the forest, so I think I will head back because this might go to the other side of the hill. Ooh. Right, going down. Shoot, I lost my drone. I flew it and then the battery was very low and I was like, I can make it despite the warning, and it didn't make it back on time, but I know it's still working. It's still here somewhere. I think it's quite nearby. I just can't find it. I did make a screenshot of the picture that it still displayed when it fell, well, when it landed. Thankfully it didn't hit any rocks or anything, but I can't find it. It's somewhere around here. It's got to be somewhere around here, just a few meters away, but it sucks. It sucks. Lesson learned, never ever ignore the warning when the battery is low. It's not worth it. It is not worth it at all. It's annoying. Oh, it's really annoying. Oh my gosh. Gotta fetch the drone. Well, not fetch, I gotta find the drone first, and I have to see where it is. Where did it land? Anyway, I'll find it.
This was the footage recorded for 8 minutes after my drone lost its battery for the motor and landed in the middle of nature. Luckily, my DJI application was able to locate my drone's last location where it landed, and eventually a friendly stranger was able to help me find my drone, and we treated him to a meal.
It's biting, freezing. Oh. plant a lot of grapes here, a lot. And they make jam and wine out of them. Very narrow, grown path that nobody comes through. It has a nice view of the waterfall.